Hello students, this is Sweetal teacher. Today we will understand a new topic, possessive case in English grammar for standard 4. In this lesson we will learn possessive case of singular nouns, possessive case of plural nouns ending in letter S, possessive case of plural nouns not ending in letter S. This is an apostrophe. An apostrophe plays a very important role to show possessive noun. We add apostrophe and s to a noun to show ownership. Look at this picture. The dog belonging to Sia is so big. Instead of saying dog belonging to Sia, we can say Sia's dog. This form of noun is called possessive noun, as it shows something belonging to someone. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. General rules to form possessive nouns. Rule 1. To change a singular noun to a singular possessive noun, add apostrophe s after the singular noun. Let us look at some examples to understand singular possessive noun. The name of my friend is Jimmy. Here, in this sentence, there is a friend whose name is Jimmy. Now, let us see how to change this sentence into possessive case. We will add apostrophe s to the word friend and write the sentence in this way as my friend's name is Jimmy. Remember students, it doesn't matter if the singular noun ends in s already, like in this example. The hair of Chris is brown. Here in this sentence, the word